What should we barbecue?
Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? Not this one. I like this flavor. I like this flavor. I like this flavor.
What should we barbecue?
I love to eat fish. Could you grill a veggie skewer for me? I like this flavor. I want to add fish seasoning. I like this flavor. Seasoning. I like this flavor. I want to add fish seasoning.
What should we barbecue?
I want to eat shrimp. Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I want fish. I like this flavor. I want to add fish seasoning. I like this flavor. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add fish seasoning. Add some seasoning for me, please. I like this flavor. Seasoning for me, please. Add some seasoning for me, please.
Having a picnic. Picnic time! Let's pick a pretty picnic blanket. Everyone is here for the picnic. So happy!
I want this one!
Pour some milk for your little friends to drink. Who wants some?
I want this one!
Watermelon, watermelon! Cut, cut, cut! Who wants some?
I want this one!
So much fruit! Which kind do they want?
I want this one!
Delicious donuts! Who wants one? When the picnic is over, we must clean up to keep our environment clean. Pitching a tent. Time to pitch a tent. Round top tent. Pull the hook to hoist the tent up. Hammer 4 nails to secure the tent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose a tent that you like. Triangular tent. Set up the frame first. 1, 2, 3. Once the frame is set up, use tape to secure it. Choose a tent that you like. Inflatable tent. First, we must inflate the tent. Choose a tent that you like. Pull 2 ropes so the tent won't be blown away. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The tent is up, and we can go into it now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Starting a fire. Chop some wood to start a fire. Slide, slide, chop some wood. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. 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 Super big piece of wood. Chop, chop, chop! Wow, firewood! Next, we are going to start a fire by drilling wood. Drill, drill. Look, the piece of wood is starting to smoke. Kiki, come quick, blow some air. Tap Kiki and blow air to start the fire. The fire is started!